Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Omen 15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Omen 15's fan sound like a jet engine, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to dust accumulation or worn-out components, leading to excessive noise and potential overheating. If left unaddressed, it can result in performance degradation or even hardware damage. To tackle this, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a can of compressed air. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat surface and ground yourself using the anti-static wrist strap. Carefully open the laptop by removing the screws on the back panel. Keep them in a safe place so you don't lose any. Once the back cover is off, locate the fan assembly. This is typically near the center of the laptop. Inspect the fans for dust buildup. If they appear dirty, use the can of compressed air to blow out any debris. If the fans are damaged or excessively noisy, you will need to replace them. To do this, disconnect the fan cables gently, being careful not to pull on the wires. Remove the screws securing the fans in place. When removing the old fans, take care not to damage any surrounding components. Insert the new fans into the same position and secure them with screws. Reconnect the fan cables, ensuring they are firmly attached. Once everything is back in place, carefully replace the back cover and screw it down securely. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, regularly clean your laptop's vents and fans to avoid dust accumulation. Also, consider using your laptop on a hard surface to improve airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.